Assalamualaikum. Today we are going to learn how to draw and color a parrot using the number 5. It is very easy. Just follow me. We use black marker for outline. Start by drawing the number 5 on your paper. Make it a good size, leaving enough space around it for the rest of the parrot. Now let's turn the number 5 into the parrot's body, like this. Very good. Then we draw the head, like this. Then we draw the eye, next we draw the beak. Very good. This curved path will become the parrot's lower body, like this. Very good. Extend it to draw tail and wing, like this. Very good. Now we draw the legs and the feet. Excellent. And your drawing is ready. Now for the fun part. Coloring. Use red color for the beak and the ring, like these. Very good. Then we use parrot color for the head. Very good. Use same color as the main color for the parrot's body, wings and the tail. Color it neatly within the lines. Don't cross the lines. Color in one direction to make it neat, like this. Don't cross the lines. Try to stay inside the lines. Very good. In the last we use orange color for the legs and the tail. Very good. And there you have it. Your parrot is ready. Allah Hafiz.